Harley-Davidson Deluxe Best Motorcycle Review Chrome and Whitewalls Deluxe Benefits from Softail Range Revamp. Like all the new Softails, the Deluxe is punchier, handles better and, with new clocks and lights, better equipped as well. If 50s style Harleys are your thing, you won't be disappointed. Ride quality and brakes. The focus of the new Softail family is the all-new Softail frame, so-called as it hides the rear suspension, giving a classic hardtail look, which now uses an inclined single-shock, Yamaha LC style, in place of dual shorter units previously mounted beneath the transmission. The new tubular steel double cradle is also claimed to be substantially lighter, stiffer and comprise far fewer components. 3 different head angles, 2 shock lengths and 2 widths of swing arm are also employed in a modular approach to create the 8 different models. With the Deluxe, the stronger, lighter frame, overall weight saving is an impressive 33 pounds, means the handling is notably more taut and lithe than before. Engine. As with 3 other members of Harley's new Softail family, the new Deluxe now uses the 4-valve, partially oil-cooled Milwaukee 8107 CIV twin, as introduced in its 2017 touring range, and modified for Softail use via a new oil cooler subtly positioned between the down tubes. Plus, as they're rigidly mounted in the new Softail frames, in the Tourers they're rubber mounted, they also come with 2, not 1, balancer shafts. Reliability and build quality. Along with the new frame, upgraded engine and cycle parts and new equipment such as lights and clocks, the build quality of the new Deluxe, and indeed all the 2018 Softail family, has been noticeably improved. The jury necessarily has to remain out on reliability, as it's simply too early to say as we write. However, with the powertrain being based on that of the proven Project Rushmore touring family and quality seemingly raised throughout, we've little cause for concern. Value versus rivals. Harley ownership never comes cheap, and with prices starting at over £12,000, that's certainly not changed with the updated and improved Deluxe. That said, it also goes better, handles better, and while Harleys of yore were often criticized for feeling as if they were hewn from cast iron, that's certainly no longer the case. And with this new Deluxe, they're shinier and slicker than ever, too. Equipment. With the Softail Slim and Heritage Classic now going for a more post-World War II 40s bobber look, that leaves the Deluxe as the only 50s-inspired cruiser in Harley's range. Reassuringly, though, it does it better than ever. The whitewall tires, wire wheels and lashings of chrome look is retained, but with new tank, oil tank, striking new LED lights and new clocks, it's delivered better than ever. The U-rated engine and chassis are bonuses on top. Okay, there's still no electronics and little by way of luxury, but it is a classy machine and Harley have noticeably raised their game.